Guys, when you guys bolt these 5 bolt, all of them on the bracket here, and the last one in the corner here, it also tighten for the horn. When you guys put the bolt back, tighten the bolt back, don't forget to put the horn back. When you earn this bolt and then the horn will drop inside here, and when tight back, just put the horn back in and tie them. And where the last one will be right here. Okay, when you guys have all the 3 bolts to tight the headlamp assembly, hand tight like this. As you can see right now, the headlight still shaking, and I recommend you guys put the bumper back on. Put the bumper here and tighten this bolt. Hope you guys see in the video. Yeah, just for hand tight right there. And then now you need to adjust the headlamp assembly like this. Yeah, this corner very important, guys, and hold the headlamp in place like this. Yep, good. And then tight it bolt. Too much gap here. To loose back a little bit and adjust the headlight to perfect gap, and then tighten it back. Super tight, nice and tight on that. And also now we can loose it bolt back and then drop the bumper again. And we drop the bumper and tight the one over here, and also leave the headlight up. Yep, we have a good gap here, guys, and the last one here, just tight it and done. Yep. Okay, now with everything good, to take the car, plug the cover off a little bit, and so now put it back and put the clip back, and also able to tighten it. That's it, guys. 2013 Grand Caravan Headlight assembly replacement. As you can see, all the new headlight lamp, it seems look brand new, look very clear. As you can see, in order to remove the headlight lamp, as you can see, the old one here, both anyway, seems still okay, but the owner don't want to keep it, replace with a new one aftermarket, I think. Okay, anyway, in order to replace the headlight lamp, if you try to do yourself, first thing, as you can see on the bumper grill right here, one 10mm bolt, loop this up, and one plus right here, take off, and 2 plus, 1, 2, and 2mm bolt, and you can able to subtract the grill from the vehicle frame. So, and on the tire side here, 1 10mm bolt and 2 screw here, subtract the bumper with the cover in here, and then get the bumper here. You try to pull it, pop, and then when follow the video, and we have 5 bolts for the bracket underneath here and 3 bolts for the headlight lamp. But when you tie the headlight lamp assembly, you have to hold the headlight for the gap here, look to be okay. And before you tie them, even on this side, as you can see, the gap here and here is okay, and no matter here, even on both sides. Yeah, I didn't see it's okay. And before you put everything back on, check electrical work like that first, like I did in the video. And that's it, guys. If you have own your vehicle, you want to change the headlight lamp assembly yourself, just follow the video and do it yourself. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.